Hey Danny, just doing a quick mic check. Would you mind doing your ABCs for us?
Yep. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, O, M, N, O, P.
So go ahead and give us your name and what you do.
My name is Danny Gevirtz, and I am a cinematographer and a Lululemon ambassador.
How would you describe your sweat life?
Yeah, sorry. I'd say I like to work out with friends. Hope you enjoyed that little intro right there. Yes, as many of you know, and if you don't know, I am a Lululemon ambassador. I'm not one to post selfies of myself, so that was like a little creative way for me to post about my Lululemon ambassadorship on my Instagram. So, but yeah, we're not here to talk about that. The most important thing that you can do as a creative, that you can do as a filmmaker, is invest in your body and take care of your body. More specifically, we're gonna talk about exercising today. And for many of us filmmakers, we are our business, we are our company. And if we're gonna continue to work on into our 40s, our 50s, our 60s, maybe our 70s, like we need to take care of our bodies. We need to exercise every day. We need to treat our bodies like we treat our cameras. We buy all this, protective equipment for our cameras. Why are we not doing enough to protect and invest in our bodies? I won't dive deep on the 5,000 scientifically proven positive impacts that exercise has on your body, whether it's mental or physical health. So what I do want to do is talk about how being physically fit and being physically healthy has helped me personally in my filmmaking career. So I've been an athlete my entire life, and very, very good athlete at that. For me, once I entered my adult life, it was super easy for me to continue to stay fit and stay on a discipline of working out every day, because it was something that my body was used to and my mind was used to. And if I find myself not working out for a couple of days straight in a row, I really don't feel well. The discipline for you to exercise every day might not come as easily to you. I really do attribute a large amount of my success as a filmmaker at the very beginning to being physically fit and physically active and being in tip-top shape. My first opportunities to shoot videos for clients were fitness videos. And early on in my career, a very big opportunity came about. I was asked to fly out to LA and film Odell Beckham Jr. working out. And for many of you who don't know who Odell Beckham Jr. is, at the time he was the best wide receiver in the NFL, and he still is one of the best receivers in the NFL. So I showed up on campus at USC to film Odell. It was just me and my camera gear, pretty much filming this for absolutely no budget. I wasn't allowed to get too close to him or even interrupt his practice whatsoever. I was essentially tasked with the job of filming one of the best wide receivers in the NFL, running routes, doing all this stuff, and I didn't even know what he was about to do next. So I had to be on my toes and ready to run in any direction he was going to for the next 2 or 3 hours that he was working out. But because of my background in football, because I ran Division I track and I was still in tip-top shape and still working out every day and still running every day, I had a significant greater chance of capturing all this footage, and I did just that. I was able to run with him, able to capture the footage that I needed for the video, and when I put the edit together and I sent it over to him, Odell loved the video. It was nothing, he's ever seen before, because no one in the past has ever been able to keep up with him while he was doing his workouts, and he loved the video so much he posted it on Instagram and actually tagged me with credit. So it really changes your career when someone with 11 million followers on Instagram tags you in their Instagram post. Hundreds of fitness brands and production companies, one specifically who works with Nike, were reaching out and asking if I could film something with them because they saw my ability to run with these athletes and they thought it was really unique and something special. People were really impressed that I was able to get all these shots for pretty much no budget. So typically if you're gonna get a shot of you know, an athlete running a route. You'd be sitting on the back of a golf cart with a rig just sitting there as the cart drove, and that's more people, more production, more money. So it really was just like a huge factor in my success as a filmmaker very early on. Now, I totally understand that not everyone here is a Division I athlete or can run with Odell Beckham, and you don't have to be. But being the most physically fit and physically capable that you personally can possibly be is tremendously gonna help you in the long run in your filmmaking career. Think about how long most shoot days are. Most shoot days are both physically and mentally exhausting. You're constantly moving around, moving equipment, thinking, problem solving, doing all sorts of things that you wouldn't normally do in a normal day. I guess what I'm trying to say is that when you are physically exhausted, mentally exhausted, you're going to make mistakes, you're gonna get lazy, not get the shots that you need to get, and your work is gonna suffer. And if your work's suffering, your whole career as a filmmaker is gonna suffer. There's so many times where I think to myself, like, whew, I'm like exhausted. I'm dying during this shoot. And I am healthy, physically capable. Like, how is someone who doesn't work out and doesn't take care of their body, like, able to do this? There's a lot of things in the film industry that are out of your control. But your health and your body and your general fitness is not one of those things that is out of your control. You have full control over what you can invest into your body, into you. Now, I'm not saying you need to go out and run sprints every day or do Olympic lifts or be a hardcore athlete, but take long walks every morning, go for a jog, do push-ups while your video is rendering, just break a sweat and move your body. And not only are you gonna see improvements in your work, but you're gonna see it in your general life. You're gonna be a better person to be around. So what I'm gonna do at the end of every video now is leave like a 5-second non-related tip to the video, so everyone sticks around to the end to get that last tip. And today's tip is that if you're hazing up a room and there are smoke detectors in that room, buy yourself a shower cap and just put that over a smoke detector and you'll be good to go. Yeah, feel free to click one of the videos and the end cards. Stick around.